Initially, I must conceal this matter from your knowledge. Since acquiring this knowledge, I have not experienced this issue in my home again. Almost all the time, people use this object to unclog the toilet. However, it is infrequently successful if the toilet is excessively clogged. Certain individuals utilize boiling water. This, besides not working, can be dangerous, so never do it. In this video, I'm going to show you a different and very effective method to unclog your toilet. And all of that using just a plastic bag. That's right. To begin with, please ensure that the toilet is thoroughly dried using toilet paper. Do the same on the lid. Once you've done that, wrap the plastic bag around the toilet. Make sure the bag is sturdy and doesn't have any holes. It is important to ensure that you thoroughly stretch it to encompass the entire surface area. Next, lower the first lid and stretch the bag again. It is very important that the plastic bag is well stretched. Then do it as I'm showing you in the video. Now you need to sit on the lid to apply pressure. And then just flush the toilet. This sealing process with the plastic bag creates a very strong vacuum with the help of the force of the discharge. In this manner, the water will exert pressure to alleviate the obstruction, unclogging the toilet. And look how wonderful. Have you unclogged yet? Now that you've learned how to unclog your toilet quickly, I'm going to teach you a recipe to avoid future clogs, and also leave your toilet clean and smelling good. To do this, you must cut a lemon in half. Then, in a container, add 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. And you can use the one you like. Once this is done, also add a spoonful of salt. Now squeeze in the lemon that we cut earlier. And the ideal is for you to use this type of lemon, because the one I'm using is more acidic and will have a better result. Lastly, please incorporate a glass of water and thoroughly mix the ingredients. And it's ready. To make it easier to apply, please ensure that the entire mixture is removed for the spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can use it. A bottle with a hole in the cap. And now just apply this mixture all over the toilet bowl. And then scrub. With this, you will keep your vase clean, smelling and free of stains. This mixture is very effective and much better than certain products bought in markets. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. A hug, and I'll see you in the next video.